Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you how to make copper brake pipes using this handheld flaring tool. Okay, so here are some tools that you can use to make up copper or copper nickel brake pipes for your car. We have here a pipe straightener, not entirely necessary, but if you want a good job, professional looking straight pipes, this is easy to use. Pipe cutter for cutting copper and copper nickel pipe, and this is our handheld flaring tool kit. Okay, let's start with the pipe straightener. These come in all different sizes, but this one is 3/16 for the most popular size of copper and copper nickel brake pipe, and it's quite simple to use. Here's a piece of copper brake pipe that comes straight from the reel, and we put it in one end of the straightener, give it a push it all the way through, and when it comes out the other end, it's straight. Simple, and you can use it on the car or on the bench. And this is our little pipe cutter. You can use this to cut soft metals like copper and aluminium tube, and even plastics between 3 and 22 millimeters diameter. You can adjust it here on this little thumb screw, and I'm just going to cut a few inches off of this piece of copper tube. Let's put the piece of copper pipe between the two rollers of the tool, and I'm screwing up the little thumb screw with my finger here until the pipe is gripped between the cutting wheel and the rollers, and tighten the thumb screw and turn the copper, tighten it a little bit more, turn the copper a little bit more, turn it, and gradually increasing the pressure on the thumb screw, moving the cutting wheel through the copper pipe, and there you go. You can see that the brake pipe cutting tool has actually closed up the hole slightly in the end of the brake pipe. Well, this is another little tool. It's a brake pipe deburring tool, and you put it over the end of the pipe, give it a push and a twist, and you can see that it's deburred the inside and the outside of the pipe. And don't forget to thoroughly clean out the pipes to remove all the swarf and the dirt before you fit them. This is our handheld brake pipe flaring tool, part number HPRO316. The 316 is for 3/16 brake pipe, and there's also an HPRO 14, which is a 1/4 inch version. The tool comes with a little pot of punch grease to lubricate the pipe when you're flaring it. It comes with a depth stop union here and a double-ended punch for single and double flares. You'll need a 10mm spanner and a 16mm spanner version. The main body of the flaring tool comes in two halves. You can see the groove here and here where the pipe is clamped, and there are two screws that you tighten up to clamp the pipe firmly in the flaring tool. And here's how to make a flare on the end of a pipe. We assemble the two parts together, put the screws in, but don't fully tighten them, and we can put in the depth stop union. and screw that right in all the way, handheld. That's enough, hand tight. Now push in the pipe until it touches the stop. You can hear it butt against the stop. Hold it touching the stop and tighten up the two clamping screws. You can now unscrew the depth stop screw, and you can see the pipe in there in the perfect position, ready to make a flare. This is the die. It's a double-ended die, and you can see stamped on there it's 3/16, so you know you got the right size for 3/16 brake pipe. And on the other side is printed a little arrow, an OP1, which is Operation 1. That's this end. And this is the end that will form a single flare on the brake pipe. So let's just put a little bit of grease on the end. That's enough. And screw it into the tool. And with the 16mm spanner, we'll wind it in until it stops. It's right up to the end there. Okay, let's take it out. If we take apart the tool at this stage, there you go, we formed a single flare, which is kind of a bulbous end on the pipe. And let's put it back in. Of course, if you're making a double flare, you don't have to take the pipe out between ops. Just do op 1 and then op 2. A little bit more grease on the end, and we can put it back in the tool to form a double flare, the second op. And again, 16mm spanner, wind it in until you get to the stop, and it won't go anymore. Unwind, take the punch out, undo the two 10mm bolts to release the pipe, and separate two halves of the tool. And there we have a double flare on the brake pipe. Quite a nice one. So there you go. With this little beauty, it's easy to make your brake pipes either on or off the car. See you soon.